Greetings, kindred spirits of the natural world and lovers of simplicity. I am Henry David Thoreau, and I invite you to join me on a journey through the woods, the transcendental, and the art of mindful living. Throughout these next few fleeting moments we have together, I shall share my life, my insights, and how they may illuminate the path to a more deliberate existence. I was born on July 12, 1817, in Concord, Massachusetts, a time when the world was on the brink of great change. The Industrial Revolution was transforming the landscape, and the bustling cities seemed to be growing ever more distant from nature's embrace. The rapid change was both thrilling and unnerving. My upbringing was marked by a deep connection to the natural world. Here's something you might not know about me. I was a passionate lover of botany, and my meticulous records of the plants in and around Concord laid the groundwork for my future endeavors. My love of nature proved to be a guiding force throughout my life. Now, let us venture into the heart of my philosophy and my most famous work, Walden. In this transcendental masterpiece, I chronicled my 2-year experiment in simple living by Walden Pond. I aimed to live deliberately, to strip away the non-essentials of life, and to find the true meaning of existence. I advocated for a life of purposeful simplicity, one attuned to the rhythms of nature. It is here that I came to realize that what lies before us and what lies behind us are small matters compared to what lies in us. Additionally, my philosophy of Transcendentalism celebrated the inherent goodness of people and nature. I believed in the divine presence in both, and I urged individuals to trust their intuition and conscience as guides to truth. As my days waned, I faced my own mortality. In 1862, at the age of 44, I departed this world, but my words and ideas have lived on. I took my final breath, embracing the great unknown with the same curiosity and reverence that guided my life. In parting, I offer you the following guidance. Live deliberately in all you do, simplify your life, and live with intention. Shed the excesses that clutter your existence and embrace the essentials of life. Next, connect with nature. Foster a deep connection with the natural world. Nature is a wellspring of wisdom and solace. Seek the truth within yourself. Trust your intuition and inner compass. The answers you seek often lie within your own heart and mind. In doing so, it is important to trust yourself without abandoning the humility necessary to learn. Furthermore, question the conventions of your time. Challenge societal norms that may lead you astray from a meaningful life. Forge your own path. Finally, embrace solitude. Find moments of solitude to reflect, recharge, and rediscover your true self. My fellow seekers of simplicity and mindful living, may you find solace in the wild, the tranquility in simplicity, and the joy in deliberate living. As you journey through life, remember that it is the deliberate and thoughtful steps that lead to a life well lived. Goodbye, and may your days be filled with the peace of Walden Pond.